Okay, no, okay, we'll start now. This is very important chapter. Okay, this consists of three chapters. See, I will show you this Excel sheet. So here, what we will covering in this, we will cover this algebraic expression and identities, factorization, and linear equation in one variable. These all three are related to each other. Okay, so keep in mind that you are starting from basic algebraic expressions and identities, and last at the last we will end with linear equation in one variable by word problems, and and factorization. Three questions they asked in 2018. This year everything will be distributed homogeneously. That means question will be according to the size of topic, size of chapter. Okay, big chapter, more questions, small chapter,
Yes, sir.
less, because this time testing agency is different. Okay, so don't believe on previous papers. As per my opinion, my experience says that this time every chapter will be included in question paper. Okay, so we will start from this. We will end with linear equation one variable. So let's start. Some basic things are there. We will discuss first these basic things. No need to go the whole chapter. Studying whole chapter will take more time. Okay, so basic things we will discuss here, and we will start to solve questions. In between any problem, if you face any problem, just tell me. I will explain it. In between solving this
हर
problem.
एक क्वेश्चन से समझेंगे ये कैसे बनता है.
अगर क्वेश्चन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है तो बताने का है, फिर से मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा बीच में.
Okay, sir.
मोटी मोटी बातें यहाँ पे हैं, ये सारे पॉइंट्स हैं, इन पॉइंट्स को क्लियर करते जाएंगे. ठीक है, उसके बाद फिर क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. दिस पॉइंट्स विल क्लियर दिस पॉइंट्स, then we will solve the problem. If you face any problem, any doubt, any means any doubt, minor or major, if you face any doubt, just tell me. I'll clear it. I'll try to clear it for you. Okay, so first point is, see first, what is algebraic expression? Okay, what is algebraic expression? Wherever you see x, y, z like this variables, this is called variables. Variables means whatever you want, you can put this, you can give any number, any value for this x as per
आपका आवाज फंस रहा है.
as per your choice.
आवाज बहुत ज्यादा कट रहा है.
Okay, hello, now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Now clear. So x, y, z is a variable.
Yes, sir.
X, z is a variable. X is different variable, y is different variable, z is different variable. You don't know the value of x, y, z. That's why you are free, absolutely free. Whatever you want, you can put x is equal to any number until they have written here any condition. If they have written any condition, then you have to put any number within that condition. Okay, until there is no condition, you can put any number, 0, 1, -1, 2, 1 upon 2, any number. So this is called variable. X, y, z, any letter. It is defined by any letter. It can be sure.
Sir, sometimes your voice is breaking.
Sound is breaking sometimes.
Today your voice is just like a robot.
Robot. Okay, I will close all the applications.
Yes, sir.
So many times.
Sometimes you voice is breaking.
Wait.
Sir, can we use Meet app?
Meet. We can use.
There is no
sir.
screen share.
We can use.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That is
sir.
screen
It's
share.
breaking.
That is.
There-
That is screen share. I'm using Meet for class.
So we'll try by this. If it will not, if there is problem, then we will check. First, we'll try by this Zoom only. Okay. Now voice is clear? Not
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
clear.
Sir, when you go to explain, then your voice is going to break down.
Okay, no problem. Just if voice is breaking, just tell me. So again, I will start. So algebraic expressions means expressions and equation. There are two things. What are the things? First one is expression. Okay. And the second one is equation. Both are different things. Okay. Both are algebraic. Equation may be algebraic, may be non-algebraic. Expression may be algebraic, non-algebraic.
Okay.
Okay.
So what is the difference between expression and equation?
First understand what is algebraic. Algebraic means whenever there is a variable x, y, z, then it becomes algebra. Okay. So whenever there is x, y, z like this, x, y, z, x square, x, y, z, x square. So these are algebraic expressions. And what is the difference between expression and equation? See the name EQU. EQU. What does this means? This is short form of equation. Equal. This is half of equal. Okay. EQUAL. So equals, if there is equal sign, if there is equal sign, then it will be equation. Okay. And if equal sign is not there, then it will be expression. See, x plus y is equal to 3. What is this? Expression or equation? What is this?
Equation.
4 plus 5
Equation.
is equal to 9, and 4 minus 3 and x minus z. Okay, here 4 things are there. 4 things. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Tell me, who is there? Yes, Yogendran. I told you 4 things.
Sir.
Algebraic expression, algebraic equation.
Yes, sir.
And normal and simple expression, simple equation. Okay, so what is this? Number 4, what is this?
Sir, again your voice is breaking. Can you say again?
I told you 4 things. First,
This is an
1, 2, 3, 4. I told you algebraic equation, algebraic expression, normal equation, normal expression. So what is this, the 4th one? This one, x minus z, is an algebraic equation or
expression.
what is this? First of all, this is expression.
Expression.
Yeah, not equation. So which type of expression is this? Algebraic or non-algebraic? Yogendran, which type of expression is this? Which type of expression is this? Algebraic or non?
Normal.
Yeah, non-algebraic, normal. Oh. Non-algebraic? This one, 4th one, this one. This one I am asking, x minus z. Algebraic or non-algebraic? Answer please, fast.
Bathroom kadwa. Sippu.
Yogendran, just answer.
So there is
Sir, this is normal expression, sir.
there is
I am telling you here it is x and z, which is a variable, and whenever there is a variable, that are algebraic expression. Algebra is
Both are variable, sir. Both are variable.
it is algebraic, not normal. Okay. This one is third one is
Okay, sir.
third one is normal. 4 minus 3. This is normal expression. 4 minus 3. Non-algebraic. Only digits are here. Okay. Yes.
your
आवाज
sound
छोटी,
is
आवाज
breaking
छोटी।
down.
Yes, Dina, tell me if the first one, x plus y is equal to 3. What is this? Which type of equation or expression? What is this? Dina. My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Dina,
Yes, sir.
so Dina, tell me the answer. First one is what type of expression or equation? What is this?
Algebra expression.
This is equation, not expression. This is equation. Equal sign is here. Whenever there is equal sign, that will be equation. And what type of equation is this? Algebraic or non-algebraic?
Sir,
दोबारा
voice
कट रहा है
breaking.
दोबारा कट रहा है।
बहुत बच्चे लोग आ गए हैं। कौन कौन है? एस दीना दीना
Sir, voice is breaking, sir. This is first time happening, sir.
Yes. Maybe network problem. Some network problem is there. Okay. It will be okay after 10 minutes. Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Everyone understand what is the difference between algebraic expression, non-algebraic expression, algebraic equation, non-algebraic equation? Okay. Any doubt?
Your voice is breaking, sir.
अब तो बहुत ज्यादा कट रहा है.
No, the clear है.
क्या हो तो आपके यहाँ नेटवर्क का नहीं है क्या?
हेलो. Sound clear है?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it's breaking because of this network.
यस सर, आज का भी वीडियो हमको भेज दीजिएगा.
क्यों? क्लास तो कर ही रहे हो. Okay.
यस सर, कर रहा है, फिर भी भेज दीजिएगा.
Once,
रिवीजन के लिए.
once again, I'll explain this one. Okay. 4 types are there.
ओके.
2, 3, 4. First one is normal expression. Normal expression. Second one is algebraic expression. Third one is normal equation. And fourth one is algebraic equation. Algebraic equation. Okay. So difference between expression and equation. Expression and equation, you understand the difference between expression and equation. Wherever there is equal sign in between two expression, that will be equation. And without equal sign, that will be only expression. And the difference between algebraic and normal, algebraic means if there is x, y, z type of any variable, then that will be algebraic. And without variable, only constant 1, 2, 3 is there, then it's normal. Okay. So here in algebra, we will study all
And when mixed.
algebraic. Anyone is coming. If anyone, then it will be algebraic. There are so many numbers: 2 plus 3,
At
4 plus, and at last one
in single also.
only is there. This will be algebraic expression. Okay. A single variable is there. If any single variable is there, that will be algebraic expression. Okay. If I put here equal sign,
Okay, sir. Okay.
then it will be equation.
Okay, sir.
ओके.
Equation.
It is equation.
Yeah. Equal sign makes everything equation. Okay.
आवाज नहीं आ रही सर.
You are very good. But if I go,
बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं तो क्यों आएगी?
नहीं बोल रहे थे.
hello.
Yeah.
और
सर आपकी आवाज कट रही है बहुत.
क्या करें?
आज आपके पास नेटवर्क नहीं है लगता है.
नेटवर्क है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा, कभी कभार होता है.
मेरे पास आज फुल नेटवर्क है.
चलो देखते हैं, ट्राई करते हैं.
यस सर.
ठीक है. किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन को हम इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं. ठीक है. वही मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा था. दिस इज एन एग्जांपल. इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट Anuj is very good in maths. Okay. So this is expression. But when I compare it with Saif, then it will be equation. I am equaling. I am comparing with Saif. Then it will become equation. So I will say Anuj is twice of Saif is twice of Anuj. Saif is equal to twice of Anuj in mathematics. What it means? I am comparing Anuj with Saif. So
डबल.
so Anuj is Saif is double of Anuj in mathematics only. Okay, so this equals comes, then you will say this is equation, not expression. If I am talking about only Saif, then it will be expression, or only Anuj, then that will be expression. But when I compare with any other, then it will become equation. Okay, now understand the difference between
Yes, sir.
and expression.
यस.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go this point. You will see this point. Terms are formed by product of variables and constants. What it means? Product of variables and constant. What is variable? What is constant? Variable, I told you, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Anything which is not number is variable.
कांस्टेंट. सॉरी.
Any
Constant having a fixed value.
अल्फाबेट्स.
value is constant. That means 2. If you say 2 apples means 2 apples. 1 plus 1, 2 only. If I say X apple, so you can understand any number, whatever your mind says. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
any number.
There is no any fixed value.
Yeah, that is called variables. And if there is fixed value, that is called constant. Okay, clear? So this is term
Okay.
by
Yes.
product of variable and constant. So here one variable, two variable and one constant in this one. First term, see the first term. In first term there is one constant 3. There is one constant 3 and two variables x and y. Okay. And second term, see the second term, 2x, y, z. What is constant here? 2, and x, y, z is variable. And see here 5x square. Here is 1. This is constant 5 and variable is x. Only one variable. Okay. Now second point. Terms are added to form expression. Terms are added to form expression. Only single term is there, then it will not be an expression. But two terms, if we add two terms, it will make an expression like this. Okay. So now third thing came terms. Okay. Terms, then expression, then equation. Okay. First is term, second is expression, third is equation. So term is a smaller part of expression. If two terms you will add or subtract two terms, then it will become an expression. And if you compare with another expression, then it will be equation like this. Complete this one equation. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the third term, expressions that contain exactly 1, 2, and 3 terms are called monomials, binomials, and trinomials. If there is one term, that is monomial. Mono means only one.
Single.
Yeah, mono means one.
One term.
One. Mono means one, only one. Monomials. Monomials means one term. Okay, binomials means two terms.
Binomials means
Two terms.
Yeah, bi means two. Nomial.
I know.
Yeah, binomials, two terms. Trinomial, tri means three. Trinomial,
three terms.
three terms.
terms.
Okay,
And
so
And then
polynomial.
polynomials more than 3
Is
terms.
about
polynomials means more than one. That is called polynomial. Binomial is also polynomial. Trinomial is also a polynomial. Okay, more than one term is a polynomial.
More than one term is a polynomial.
Okay.
Yes.
okay.
Now next point. In general, any expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient and with variable having non-negative exponent is called a polynomial. See the definition of what is polynomial. You have to remember this. What is polynomial? In general, any expression. Any means any expression containing one or more terms. Okay, I told you what is polynomial. Any one or more.
Sir,
Yes.
voice breaking, sir.
Just wait.
कहाँ ब्रोक हो रही है?
No,
बढ़िया आ
sir.
रही है.
चार्ज अभी ब्रोक
बढ़िया
नहीं
है.
हुई है.
Depends on your network plus my network. If anyone is weak, it will break. Either my network or your network. If everybody is hearing good quality, then your network problem. If all are hearing break in my voice, then it's my problem. Okay. So before it was my problem, now it's your problem because everyone. Okay.
यूस आपने नाम क्या रखा है? Anonymous.
खेलो
I don't know, miss.
बहुत सीरियस
It's hacker.
बहुत सीरियस चल रहा है टॉपिक. ठीक है, खेलो नहीं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. तो क्वेश्चन करना तब खेलना, अभी समझने का टाइम है. ठीक है.
मजाक में नहीं लेने का.
In general, any expression containing one or more term with non-zero coefficient. Coefficient होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Coefficient means what? This one is called coefficient, the constant term. Okay, the constant term is called coefficient. So कोई भी एक, मैंने बोला एक से ज्यादा टर्म, यहाँ पे एक भी टर्म रहेगा तो भी वो पॉलिनोमियल कहलाएगा. ठीक है. Any expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient. ये जीरो नहीं आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. ठीक है. Non-zero coefficient होना चाहिए, ये कंडीशन है. And with variable having non-negative exponent. पावर जो है वो नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए. एक्सपोनेंट एंड पावर्स पढ़ चुके हो ना. पावर नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए, वरना that will be not a polynomial. You cannot.
Okay.
Polynomial. So polynomial, what are the conditions for polynomial? There should be a constant which should be non-zero, and the power should be non-negative, means positive. Power should be zero or more than zero, means positive. It should be positive. Okay, non-negative means what?
It should be positive.
should be positive or zero. Zero plus positive. Non-negative means zero. See, negative, zero, and positive. In between negative and positive, one term is there, zero. So if you are saying non-negative means zero plus positive. If you are saying
0 plus positive.
only positive, then only positive.
0 plus negative.
No. Positive. If you are saying, see, three terms are there.
0 is neither positive nor negative. It is only an integer.
That's why I'm saying here. Just
Yeah.
understand 3 points. 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Be very clear with these points. One is negative. One is zero. Third is positive. Okay. See, first is now left side, non-negative, non-positive. Okay. So if I am saying that one number is non-negative, means what? That number is not negative. Not negative means it may be zero, it may be positive. Okay, clear? If I am saying non-negative, so non-negative means what? It may be zero, it may be positive. If I have
Yes, sir.
positive, then I will have to say clear-cut positive. If I have to separate zero and positive, I will say positive numbers, which will start from 1 to infinity. And if I want to say negative, I will say negative. Negative will start from -1 to infinity. And if I want to say negative and zero, then I will say non-positive. Non-positive means this both, not the negative. Negative plus zero, non-positive. And non-negative means zero plus positive. Okay. On this, I will make one question in intelligence in Venn diagram. So be ready for that. In Venn diagram, I will make,
Okay, sir.
on the basis of this this concept, I'll make one question in Venn diagram intelligence test. Okay. So now you may be clear what is negative, what is non-negative, what is positive, and what is zero. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nindari. Like terms are formed from the same variable and the powers of these variables are also the same. What is like terms? If same power is there, see, if x square and x cube, these are not same. Equal, there is
Yes, sir.
difference between equal and same. Okay. Equal and same, there is difference between equal and same. So x square is not same to x cube. Variable is same, x is here, but the power is different. Power is different, so these don't belongs to like terms. Okay, these are not like terms. So you understand what is the like terms? Like terms should have same power. Like terms are formed from the same variables and the power of these variables. So for like terms, the variable should be same, that is x, and power should also be same for like terms. Okay. So I'll ask to Dina, x square and y square. These both are like or unlike? Dina, tell me.
Unlike, sir.
Unlike, yes. Why unlike? Power is same, but variable is not same.
But variable not same.
Yes, variable is not same. And same x square and x cube. Like or unlike? X square and x cube.
Unlike, sir.
This is also unlike because variable is same, but power is not same.
Power is wrong.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what you understand here? Like terms. What are like terms? The variable and
Same.
power to that variable both should be same. Okay.
The power of the base and base have to same.
Yeah, base should be same and power should also be same. So
Yeah.
why we are discussing these like terms? Why we are discussing like terms?
Because it is important in
Yeah.
addition and subtraction.
While operation of these polynomials, or you say terms or expressions, you need to know that what are like terms and what are unlike terms, because plus and minus, this will take place only with like terms. Only with like terms you can subtract or add. Okay, this is very important part of
Like fractions.
like terms or fractions or equations. Terms, we will talk about terms. Okay, more than one term, it will be polynomial or binomial or trinomial. So we'll talk about terms. If two terms are like terms, then only we can subtract or add from one another. Okay, and for multiplication and division, no need. Any terms either like or unlike. You can multiply or divide. Okay. For multiplication and
Okay, sir.
for
Okay, sir.
division in algebra, there is no need of like terms. For multiplication and division only, and for subtraction and addition, we have the terms should be like. Okay. For example here. For example 1. I will take example 1. What is that? I want to add x square plus x cube. Can we add it? Can we add it? Who will say?
Sir, x square and x cube. No, sir.
Yes. We cannot add or we cannot
We
subtract
can multiply and divide.
like terms. Both are not like terms. Powers are not same. So x square and x cube cannot be subtracted. It can be multiplied. If you multiply, what will happen? You have learned in.
X to the power 6.
Oh my God. Oh my,
X to the power
Whatever.
5.
yes, Anuj is right.
Exponential
Yeah,
power you are forgetting.
here is the head. That's right.
When base is same,
Power plus
Power 12 x
Power 6 plus.
in multiplying.
power should be added.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm saying that in multiplication and division we don't need like terms. We can multiply or divide any terms. Okay. So you understand this point? These points? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt can ask me.
No.
In questions, I
No,
should hear this. I don't know or I forget or anything.
No, sir.
Yes. Whatever you have to ask, you ask here only. When we start questions, we will not stop. We will go fast because only 49 days are there. Okay.
Yeah.
So like terms are formed from the same variable and the powers of these variables are also the same. But this coefficient of like terms need not to be same. Any coefficient you can put, like 2x square plus 3x cube. Can we add? No. But if it is a square, then we can add it. So what will be the?
Yes, sir.
Will be the
5x square.
5x square. Very good. Okay. And what about 2x square multiplied by 3x square? Yes.
6 power
Yes, 6 to power 4.
6 by 4.
4. Very good. Very nice. And what about this 2x square multiplied by 2x cube?
4x to the power
4 to
5.
the power 5.
4x to the power 5.
Four.
Good.
5.
चलो मजा आने वाला है क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? चलो अनुज.
बच्चे सब
वेरी गुड. चलो नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या है हमारा? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है देयर आर नंबर ऑफ सिचुएशन लाइक फाइंडिंग द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, triangle, etc. in which we need to multiply algebraic expression. This is the point what SAF is doing always. Okay.
Yeah, in all questions.
In every question, so many questions. If you are good in algebra, you can find any problem you can find by the equation. Okay. If you are good in algebra, you can find any solution by making equation. Okay. Like unitary method. No need to go unitary method. You can make equation. You can find so many other topics. You can use this algebra there by making equation. So this point is saying the same thing. There are numbers of situations like finding the area of rectangle, triangle in which we need to multiply algebraic expressions. Okay. This is only information. Nothing is there. Next point is multiplication of two algebraic expression is again an algebraic expression. So algebraic expression multiplied by algebraic expression, it will become an algebraic equation. Nothing will be changed. Okay. A monomial multiplied by a monomial always give a monomial. Why?
monomial.
Why?
because one into one is
One
equals to
term
1.
into one term.
1 into 1 equals 1. So monomial multiplied
X
by
into X
monomial.
is equal to X.
Oh,
Always monomial.
and what about the binomial? If you multiply by binomial, then what you will get?
2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4.
Binomial. Monomial into binomial is equal to binomial.
Monomial into binomial is binomial.
Yes, sir.
Check with
No, sir.
check with example. Check with example. If you have any doubt, just put one example. You will be clear. See what Anuj is saying. X into x square will be binomial. How it will be binomial?
It will be monomial.
What is binomial and monomial? It's not here. There is no question of power. Terms. Binomial and
It
monomial
will come.
number of terms. Number of terms means there is plus or minus. This is two terms. Okay.
Then it will be added.
This is binomial. Okay. And this is monomial. If you multiply binomial and monomial, what you will get? How many terms you will get? See, I will explain you again. Anuj was right. No problem, Anuj. You are right.
So you told us a shortcut that there are, if it is asking about how many terms, you would only multiply how many terms into, there are two terms and there are one term. So 2 into 1, 1, 2. There will be two terms.
Okay. Just now I'm going to teach you the same thing. Okay, if there is two terms like x plus x square, okay, and there is one term x. So if you multiply, then here it is two terms. Okay, here it is one term. So whatever is the multiplication, that will be the number of terms of the product. Okay, so product 2 into 1 means two terms will come. Keep
Two
it
terms.
this one.
Binomial.
There will be long multiplication. You have to keep in mind, in the side of your mind, you have to keep that two terms is going to come. Two term will come after multiplication, so that you cannot be doing mistake. You can't do mistake if you calculate in mind that how many terms will come. So this is the shortcut to remember how many terms will come. Here 2, here 1, 2 ones are 2. If here 2 terms, here 2 terms, how many terms will come? 4 terms.
4 terms.
It will be polynomial.
After that, you can add or subtract. Like terms can be added and subtracted. After that, it will be reduced, maybe. Like a plus b whole square. What is this? A plus b multiplied by a plus b. How many terms it should come? How many terms it should come? 4 terms. 2 into 2. But you remember what is the formula? A plus b whole square? A square plus b square
B
plus
square plus 2ab.
3 terms only. Why? Because 2 terms are added here. AB and AB is added. That's why it is 2AB. See, 2 terms here and 2 terms here. It will come 4 terms. How? First A will multiply by A, that is A square. Then again it will be multiplied by B, so plus AB. Then B will be multiplied by A, that is AB. And again B will be multiplied by B, that is plus B square. See, these are like terms. AB, AB. Power is also same, terms is also same, base is also same. So AB plus AB, that is 2AB. That's why
2ab.
from 3 terms it reduced to 2 terms. That's what I'm saying, that after reducing it will reduce. If same terms, if like terms are there, then it will reduce to 3 or 2 or 1. Maybe, may not be. But after multiplying, it will come 4 terms like here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The point. So Anuj was right. Anuj was why right? 2 into 1, there will be only 2 terms. 1 into 1, monomial into monomial, monomial. Binomial
Yes,
into binomial, binomial. Okay, binomial into binomial. How many terms? 4 terms.
Polynomial.
Polynomial.
Polynomial. Okay, where were you? Like terms, there are number, situation, multiplication of 2 algebraic expression is again in algebraic expression. Okay, this one finished. A monomial multiplied by monomial always.
इसके नीचे वाला.
While multiplying a polynomial,
This one.
we multiply every term. Just now I explained, every term is multiplied by every term. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, if A is multiplied once by B and second by C, so AB plus AC. You have to keep this sign. Okay, you have to keep this sign. Okay, AB plus AC. If minus is there, AB minus AC. Okay. Next point is in the multiplication of a polynomial by a binomial or trinomial, we multiply term by term. So every term will multiply by every term. Okay. So if one polynomial has 2 terms and the other polynomial has 5 terms, then how many terms will come after multiplying these 2 terms, these 2 polynomials? How many terms will come?
1 term.
10 terms.
1 term.
Terms.
10 terms.
5 to the 10. 10 terms. This is number of terms. This is not terms. Number of terms. 2. Number of terms means this is binomial, and this is polynomial of 5 terms. So again, the multiplication, the product of these 2 will come a polynomial with 10 terms. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one is clear. An identity is an equality. an identity is an equality which is true for all values and every its variable. So what is identity? Identity क्या होता है? The formula which we have learned
Formula which I have used. Yes. A plus B का whole square, A minus B का whole square.
classes, a plus b whole square, a minus b, these are identities. Identities means what? Whatever value you will put there, it will come as per the identity. Okay, that is universal, fixed. Whatever you will put here, a and b, let's you put a is equal to 1, okay, and b is equal to 2, then what will come here? The answer will be here. A square means 1 square plus 2ab means 2 on the 2 into 2, 4 plus b square 4. That means 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, that is 9. Okay, so here you can check 1 plus 3 whole square. What will come? 1 plus 2, sorry. 1 plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 ka whole square. What will come? 9. So same, it's coming 9 and 9 both sides. This is called identity. Okay, whatever value you will put a and b, both sides will come same. Both side value will come same. Okay, this is called identity. Here is also 9, here is also 9. Both sides, left hand side, right hand side. Okay, so these are identities which I think you know. So very good, and the best identity I like most is a square minus b square. Okay, this is very good identity. Very big problems it solves very easily. A square minus b square is very good identity. Remember it. Okay. Okay. So points finished. Now factor.
Yes, sir.
Now factor. So first we will do some examples, then we will come on factorization. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
First we will do some examples. Solved examples. Which is the like terms? Yes. Which is the like terms? Who will tell? Just to give answer by chatting. Which is the like terms as 24a square bc? A, B, C, D, which one will come the same term like 24a square bc? Send me the answer. Prashant, how it is possible? 24, it should come 24.
None of these.
Hmm?
None of these.
3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. A square. So where is a square? There is no.
कोई भी option में a square नहीं है.
None of this, sir.
There is
None
no.
of these.
So how none of this?
So because there is no any a square.
Then
Here is.
a into a.
Huh?
Yeah, but there is 13.
Is 13 into 8 into 2, which is greater than
Yeah.
24.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Maybe by mistake they put here. If you remove this one, what is there?
I think so.
They are saying A.
I will be.
Now it is also it is 16 only.
8 3 is at 20.
24 into 2 is equals to 48. It is.
Yeah.
8 3 is at 24. This should also not be there. 2.
There is no any answer. None of the above.
This is printing mistake. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So second one, which of the following is an identity? Which one is an identity? How you will find which one is identity?
Matrix.
May I?
Yeah,
So may I?
explain.
Answer भेजें?
Answer the base, explain.
The identity.
The answer D.
Answer D.
A square.
May I explain?
A square. Anuj will explain. Anuj.
Okay.
Yes.
How you can find that?
It take like a. It take like a plus a plus b का whole square. A is P and Q is B.
Suppose you don't. No, C is not the correct answer. Correct answer is D. Anuj, just suppose that you don't remember any identity. How you will find? How you can find answer here? You don't remember any identity.
By examples.
Yes, explain me how you will find.
So may I?
No,
So
Anuj.
may I?
Anuj. Anuj, then Yogendran, then Deena, then Prashant, then Piyush and Saif will come.
So there is an whole power and in अंदर में p plus q. तो whole power 2 है तो p की power 2 square.
How you will check? Either you will multiply.
सर मैं
कौन बता रहा है? बताओ। पीयूष और सैफ।
सर मोनोमियल बाइनोमियल को देख
बाइनोमियल को क्या देखेंगे, क्या करेंगे उसमें? बताओ।
सर कुछ आपने बोला अभी?
नहीं, पीयूष
Sure, sir.
नहीं बोलेंगे, सबसे लास्ट में बोलेंगे, मैं बोलूंगा।
ओ
सभा एरम भी हैं, वो भी पढ़ चुकी हैं पूरा। सभा याद है ना सब? ये भूल गए हो? एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा तुम्हारा।
याद है।
ओके ठीक है, तुम लोग पढ़ चुके हो ना एक बार, इसलिए तुम लोगों को नहीं बोलने का मौका मिल रहा है। ठीक है, नए लड़के
पूरा किए थे हम लोग।
बहुत ज्यादा।
पूरा बहुत ज्यादा मेंटोरेशन पे लगा था 1 महीना।
वो तो उसके वजह से लगा था, रूबीना।
उनका भी नहीं निकला शायद।
पता किए?
अरे मैसेज किए, पढ़ लेती, रिप्लाई नहीं करती है, क्या करें?
नहीं निकला है,
हम्म,
नहीं निकला है, मैसेज हमको किए थे।
अच्छा। लेकिन बहुत कम गया है वहाँ का ये।
गर्ल्स का 64 शायद।
66 था।
हाँ।
66 तो आ ही सकता है यार, 66 लाने में क्या प्रॉब्लम?
वो तो बोली हमको 75 आ रहा है।
तुमको लगता है क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कभी? सोचो 66 अगर किसी भी टेस्ट में 66 गया है तो कितना हार्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर रहा होगा। क्वेश्चन पेपर मंगाओ ना। अच्छा भेजी तो थी, मैंने देखा भी नहीं आज तक। चलो कोई बात नहीं। हाँ,
मैथ्स में मेरा सब था, देखे थे तो।
Prashant and Yogendran, Dina, anyone can explain how you will find if you don't remember any identity? You don't remember any identity. What? How you will check?
सर by distributive law.
Distributive law. How?
his condition you have not to remember anything.
I told you just put any number. What is identity? Identity means whatever number you will put, you should get left hand side and right hand side equal. See, in B, I will check B is the answer is not. If B is the answer or not, okay, I'll check for B. So if I put P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 2, what will come left hand side? P square means what? 1 square minus Q square means 2 square, that is 4. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. So left hand side, what I will get? Minus 3. And right hand side, P minus Q, that is 1 minus 2, that square, that is equal to minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 1. Both are same or not?
It is not.
Yeah, it is not.
No, sir.
Oh, this is different. This is different. Like this, you have to check. This is the best method to check. And so many examples of algebra means these chapters. All the questions we will solve by shortcut. If you go the book method, you can't do any question within time. So just here, understand the basic concept, and for examination, I will teach you how to solve quickly with the tricks. So for using trick, you should know the basics also. Concept. This is concept.
Okay, sir.
This is concept. For identity, what is the definition of identity? That if you put any number for P and Q, the left hand side value should be equal to the right hand side value. Okay. So you will put for all fours, and wherever you will get left hand side equal to right hand side, that will be your correct answer. Okay. Anuj,
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
अगर इंग्लिश में दिक्कत होता है तो बोलना, मैं दोनों भाषा में बताऊंगा, इंग्लिश में भी और हिंदी में भी बोलूंगा। कल से एक बंदा आ रहा है जिसको हिंदी में सीखना है, तो हिंदी में भी पड़ेगा, इंग्लिश में भी बोलना। हरियाणा का बच्चा है।
कौन सा? ओ
कल से आएगा हो सकता है। ठीक है, चलो।
yes sir.
Example number 3, the irreducible factorization. Okay, this is for factorization. Leave it. A into B plus C. What property is this? Okay, for property we will go in the chapter. Property, you know, who don't know about the property? These properties: commutative, distributive, associative, closure property.
Sir, me.
You don't know? Okay, we will.
But I know.
You know? Everyone knows?
Yes, sir.
Me too.
सर आंसर दिख रहा है.
No.
Yes, sir.
तो no problem. But no. आंसर देखने से मतलब नहीं है, आपको पता है कि नहीं ये पूछ रहा हूँ। किसको किसको नहीं पता है उसको मैं अलग से बताना पड़ेगा ना फिर। Who don't know about?
मुझे नहीं पता।
सर एक क्लास में पूरा इसको डिफाइन किए थे आधे घंटे में।
कौन? पिछले क्लास?
आप।
अरे अभी का बात करो। बात नहीं करो, ठीक है बात करो ना, उस क्लास में सब लोग थोड़ी थे, तो वही लोग थे। तो इसको देख ले क्या अभी, चलो देख ही लेते हैं,
देख लीजिए।
देख लेते हैं, बुक ले लेते हैं। कौन सा चैप्टर है सैफ?
रैशनल नंबर,
बुक में कौन सा चैप्टर है ये?
रैशनल नंबर,
रैशनल नंबर।
रैशनल नंबर?
रैशनल नंबर, हाँ।
है क्या ये?
रैशनल नंबर सर।
इसमें भी तो होगा ना, अलजेब्रा में नहीं था?
नहीं, अलजेब्रा में नहीं है।
अच्छा,
सर है सर 9th लेसन।
नहीं अलजेब्रा में ये प्रॉपर्टी होगा ना, बुक में होना चाहिए।
हाँ सर,
प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है,
हाँ सर है सर।
उतना ब्रीफ में नहीं है, शॉर्ट में है, ब्रीफ में है इसमें, रैशनल नंबर के फर्स्ट पेज पे।
ओके, तो रैशनल नंबर में ही देख लेते हैं।
कौन सा बुक है सर?
एनसीईआरटी, एनसीईआरटी कोई स्पेशल बुक?
हाँ,
एनसीईआरटी मुझे पसंद है। प्रॉपर्टीज, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रैशनल नंबर। लेकिन फायदा क्या होगा यहाँ से पढ़ने का? क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, व्हाट इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी? हेलो
सर
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर,
क्लियर है ना आवाज?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर।
Okay. So closure property, we'll first see closure property. Okay. So closure property.
ओके।
Closure property. Saif, बताओ. What is closure property?
That if we add, subtract, multiply or divide the same number with the same number, it will come the same number. नहीं समझ में आया कैसे?
Same number comes same number.
मतलब अगर होल नंबर को होल नंबर से प्लस करते हैं तो होल नंबर आना चाहिए, इंटीजर को इंटीजर से प्लस, सब्ट्रैक्ट, मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करते हैं तो इंटीजर ही आना चाहिए। रैशनल नंबर को
फ्रैक्शन में काम नहीं करता है।
डिवाइड।
तो कोई भी नंबर है, ठीक है, होल नंबर पता है सबको, होल नंबर क्या होता है? होल नंबर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0 to infinity.
0 to infinity.
infinity।
Okay, natural number starts from 1 to infinity.
1 to
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ओके सर।
So closure property means, closure means what? Closure, this close. Closure property means close. Close means what?
Bracket.
Yes, bracket, not bracket, it is closed. Means limited. So
limited.
whole number is closure in addition or not? How you will decide?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Answer is yes, but how? Why?
By taking example.
Example, take any
Yeah.
whole number. So if you add any whole number with a whole number, the answer should be a whole number. If it is not there, then it does not carry the property of closure property. Whole number does not carry closure property if it's not true. What is the statement? Whole number plus whole number should come whole number. Okay. So if you add 0 in 1, what it will come? 1. If you add 1 plus 2, what it will come? 3. So this is also whole number, this is also whole number, this is also whole number. Okay. But what about subtraction? If you subtract, what about the subtraction? Whole number carry the closure property in subtraction? Yes or no?
No, no,
No. Why?
may tell how why?
1
Because
4 minus 3 is in
1
integer
minus
form.
4, it will become in
if
integer.
Minus
-1. That is not whole number.
Dina, what you are doing? Delete it. So if you take two whole number 1 and 2, and if you subtract 2 from 1, then it will come -1, and -1 is not a whole number. That's why it does
It is an integer.
property. Okay, understand that what is the closure property? Means
Yeah.
Is the property of that number, the operating number, that is 1 and 2, the product or the result should be from the same group. Like whole number, it should be a whole number. If you are adding natural number, it should be a natural number. If you are adding fractional number, rational number, then the answer should also be a rational number. 1 is a rational number or not rational number? What about 1? 1 is a rational
It
number.
is a rational number.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
every number is a rational number. Every number is a rational number. Okay. Now second property is, and this you cannot remember everything. Okay. You cannot
We
remember
can only
for every.
use by examples.
Yeah, just you. If there is a question, when we will come in rational number, when we study rational number, I will explain it. Okay, you cannot remember everything. So just put an example and check whether it will come or not come. Okay. So you have to be very expert for using the examples. What example should you use that you can find the correct answer? So that will come after your experience, after your practice. Okay. So that was closure property. Now, what property is coming next? Commutative property. Okay. So what is commutative property?
Sir, brackets.
Brackets? No, not brackets.
Sir,
2 plus 3.
sir, number
2. Yes. Interchange.
place
You have to
changing.
check that the same.
Interchanging the numbers. Okay. Commutative property means interchanging the numbers in place of 2 and 3. So interchange the place 3 plus 2. So this for addition it is okay. It in both the condition it will come 5, but in subtraction it will not come. Okay. 2
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
and 3 minus 2 will be different. These are
1 minus 1.
yes. Here it is minus 1. Here it will come 1. So whole number does not carry commutative property in subtraction. Try to understand the statements. Okay. Whole numbers does not carry the commutative property in subtraction. And what about the multiplication and division? 2 into
Sir, multiplication, yes.
yes, 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is also 6.
It is a 6.
So it will satisfy the commutativity. Okay. But in division, it will not follow. 2 divided by 3 is 2 by 3. And 3 divided by 2 is 3 by 2. Both are not same. Okay. So this was.
Yes, sir.
So make one chart in your paper and put it on your wall. First one is closure. What is closure? Just make one example so that you can remember it. Closure. And second one is commutative. Take example. Okay. Now after commutative, what is the next? Associative, I think. Associative. Okay. So what in associative?
Sir, brackets changing.
Brackets changing means if you are adding 2 plus 3 plus 4. If you add like this, or 2 plus 3 plus 4. If you add like this, both will come, answer will be same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter where is the bracket in addition. Okay. In multiplication also it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But in division it matters. In subtraction and division it matters. Same. Okay. Now the next one is, any doubt? Anyone clear for
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No doubt. Okay, very good.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Reciprocal, everyone knows what is reciprocal. Now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
distributive property.
Sir, upside down.
Upside down. Reciprocal is upside down, downside up. Okay, distributive property. What is distributive property? 2 into 3 plus 4.
Sir, you said you are teaching algebra and you are teaching now rational number.
I am teaching you the properties. It will apply every. These properties will be applied everywhere. That's why I am teaching you the properties. Okay.
Once basic is clear, then you go to
This,
solve hard questions.
this is basic.
That's why.
That's why I am taking this small discussion on properties. Okay, distributive means you have to distribute 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. So 2 3s are 6 plus 2 4s are 8, like this. Okay, so this is distributive property. Now we will go again back there.
नींद आ रही है.
सो जाओ.
That's why.
अरे
नहीं सर.
त्यागोगे तभी कुछ कर पाओगे. नींद जिसने सोया वो खोया.
Yes sir.
बस.
Yes sir. That's why मैं नहीं सोया.
ठीक है. दो जगह वो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे बात हो रही है which property here it is using a into b plus c, a into b plus a into c. This is distributive property. Okay.
Distributive.
property.
And which property? Closure, associative, commutative, distributive. So for this only I went there. Who was asking? Dina or
Dina, I think.
Yogendran or Dina maybe. So for these properties we went there to understand what are these properties. Always we forget it. Whenever you change the topic, you will forget this all four. So whenever you get time, you just go and check their investment with examples so that you.
Yes, sir.
Question of
Recall.
6, fill in the blanks to make the statement true. What you will make here? Solution is there. So this is from factorization. So here, what is this? X plus.
This is identity. X plus a into x plus b.
No, this is not identity.
It is identity, but not it is used. It is not used regularly.
Yeah. So what will come here?
X square plus a bracket b into x plus a into b.
A into b. So how we will get this one? You have to remember the identity. No, you cannot remember all the identities. So what you will do?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we take x1 value and a1 value and b1 value.
No need to take value. How you will take value? You have to multiply this here 2 terms. Okay, here 2 terms. So 4 terms will come. But you have to reduce 3 terms.
We take any number for x and a and plus and multiply.
No. If you take any number, then you have to fill it here. You are not required to just find the value. No need to find the value. You have to.
We have to write here.
Okay, sir.
Sorry.
The last term you have to write the term. So how you can write the term? To write the term, you have to multiply. You have to multiply once x by a, and then second x by b, and again a by x, and next time a by b, a into b. So we will multiply here to check x into x. What is x square plus x into b, that is bx. This is the style of writing x into b, bx. X into b will come xb, but we will write bx. Right? B comes first before x. That's why only I am writing here bx plus a,
Yes, sir.
ax. Okay. Then the last x into a into b, that is plus ab.
AB.
So here what we have here, x square. This we have x square. We have a plus b into x. So this term also we have x is common. We take a plus b. Okay. And the last term is ab. So here in fill in the blanks we can put ab. Okay. These 2 terms we have already, a plus b into x and x square we already have. So what we don't have, that is a plus a into b. So answer will be ab. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any identity is true for all values of its variables. It is true. It is true. Okay. For any identity, all values of
Yes, sir.
variable, it should come true. The statement is true. Common factor. This is factorization, and this. Yes. Tell me, what is this? False or true?
It is easy.
Plus 3x square divided by 3x. 3x. You know, this is also from factorization. You cannot do 3x. What will come? Anuj, can you do?
Yeah, it will become 3x cubed.
Yes, sir. 3x. No, 3x.
3x will be
3x
cancelled.
square.
What will come? Every
Sir, 3x will be cancelled.
C term has,
3x square. So right here 2 or cube.
you have to check the terms. Here 3x, here 3x square, sorry. 3x square
Yeah. So it will become 3x
It will
square.
be cancelled.
is common. So you will take common 3x. So here it will come 1 into 3x plus
1 plus x.
divided by 3x. So 3x will cut by 3x. So answer will be 1 plus x. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
come afterwards. Okay, we will check. This is very easy.
Okay.
These are study. It will be very easy. Okay, simplify later on. Find the expansion of the following using suitable identity. Okay, here we have to use identity. Okay, what identity you will use here? 3x minus 7y. You will use the identity a plus.
A square minus B square.
Very good. In second, which identity you will use? Square. Okay. This is a. See, 4x upon 5, 4x upon 5, y upon 4, 3y upon 4. Here it is different. So you cannot use identity. This one is different. It is by mistake or same? So the last identity what we did, a into b, the same identity you can use. You have to use plus a into x plus b. Okay, this identity you have to use. Okay, next one, factorize. Okay, tomorrow we will see the factorization. Evaluate. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
can you send this recording video?
Yes. I will try.
Sir, hello. Start in the
बहुत कट रहा है आवाज.
attend class in
Voice is not.
the
Voice is not clear. Piyush, breaking.
Yes.
हमारा
आ रहा है.
सर क्लास कल मॉर्निंग में लीजिएगा ना.
हाँ, कल तो मॉर्निंग भाई. टुमारो क्लास विल मॉर्निंग. हाँ, 10 o'clock.
सर आप बोलते हैं लेकिन लेते नहीं है क्लास.
कहाँ? आज का 2 बजे के बाद था. तुम तो आए भी नहीं थे 2 बजे.
कहाँ पे? यूट्यूब पे
प्रोफेशनल क्लास है भाई. लोग जो ज्वाइन किए उनके लिए मैंने क्लास रखा था. तुम आ गए इसलिए नया चैप्टर शुरू कर दिया. नहीं आते तो पुराना पढ़ाता.
आज
2 बजे तो लिया ही था. कल जो पढ़ाई किया था उसका प्रैक्टिस किया ना 2 बजे सब.
Yes sir.
यूट्यूब पे ना.
यूट्यूब पे तो उसमें कुछ करना थोड़ी था. प्रैक्टिस करना था इसलिए
हेलो.
यूट्यूब पे गए थे.
या
भाई दूसरों को भी तो दिखाना.
सर कल जूम क्लास मॉर्निंग में कीजिएगा. जूम क्लास बोल रहा हूँ.
जूम क्लास 10 बजे होगा. ठीक है, कल जूम
सर
क्लास
सुबह 10 बजे.
10 बजे.
10 बजे मॉर्निंग में.
फेस्टिवल है इसीलिए कल मॉर्निंग में होगा. ठीक है,
ठीक है.
10 बजे.
ओके सर.
यस सर.
जी, वो कंटिन्यू करेंगे फैक्टराइजेशन. ओके
ओके सर. गुड नाइट.
ओके, गुड नाइट. ओके, टेक केयर. गुड नाइट एवरीवन.
बाय सर.
Good night sir.